All right, this is the Nespresso Lattissima Pro tutorial on how to change the language. So recently, my parents had an issue with the language. They set the language to, I think, French or something like that, and so they're unable to switch it back to English. So this is just a tutorial on how to fix that. So when you turn on your Lattissima Pro, just hit settings button in the center, and then the very first menu item is actually language. So you want to hit enter, which is the center button on the right. And then let's say, see, right now it's set to English. So you press up or down. So let's set it to FR, which is French. And then I want to hit enter, which is the center button. So, and then you hit it again for the second time to save it. And then now you're back to the main menu. So I'm going to hit settings, and now it's off. So now we're set to French. Okay. All right. So let's start over here. I'm going to turn it off. All right. So now let's say you accidentally set the language to French and you want to take it out of French and change it back to English. Here we go. Turn the machine on. All right. So once it is has reset and turned on, you want to hit settings button once. And the very first item is langue, which is the language. So hit enter, which is the center button on the right. And then nouvelle valeur. And right now it's set to French. You just want to hit up or down, right? So I think it's up until you see EN. EN means English, right? So after you see EN blinking, hit the center button on the right, which means enter. So now you have selected EN, English, and then hit it a second time, enter button, to store it. And then boom, you're done. You're back to menu, language, descaling. So you're done now. All you got to do is hit the settings button one more time, and then you're back to your original default screen, and you're done. It's set back to English. That's it. Thank you. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.